What would happen if we blended together Wall Street and Las Vegas? What if there was a way to combine trading with casinos? Well, in this video, I'm reviewing Evolution's brand new stock market casino game. A crash game unlike anything you've seen before. It's a casino game that lets you bet on a simulated stock market. Is it good? Is it RNG? And how can you cash in? Is it possible that the trading strategies used by Wall Street experts could work here too? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to play and win big at this game. Welcome to Ninja Gamblers, the best place to learn how to beat casinos. Here, you can find the latest tips and strategies for roulette, blackjack, poker, slots, and much more. If you want to stay ahead of the game and maximize your chances of making big wins at the casino, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. In the description of this video, you'll find links to our Instagram page and our Telegram channel. There, we share exclusive content that never makes it to YouTube. You'll also find a list of safe, licensed casinos we recommend in each country, along with a comparison of the free money bonuses they offer. So, today I'm diving into how to win big on Evolution's stock market casino game, a unique blend of online casinos and trading. I'll also walk you through one of my recent plays. Evolution's stock market casino game is an online experience that mirrors the highs and lows of stock market investing. As a player, you're an investor, buying and selling stocks with one goal: maximizing your profits. You start with an initial capital that you can invest as you choose. The stocks in the game fluctuate based on various factors. You have two options: bet on the market going up or down. One crucial point: your maximum win is capped at double your bet. So if you wager $10, the most you can win is $20. Let's clear something up right from the start. This isn't investing, it's gambling. But while it might look like a live game, it's actually driven by an RNG. The markets you see, they're not real. They're entirely based on that random number generator. Now that you've got the basics, let's jump into the gameplay. Firstly, where can you find this game? Well, in the list in the video description, we have clearly highlighted which casinos have this game in the available games section. What's this list for? If you're new here, let me explain. The internet is full of unlicensed online casinos that can be illegal, fraudulent, and rigged to make you lose. They can vanish without a trace, leaving you with no way to get your money back. To help you avoid these risks, we've created a list of verified, licensed, and fair casinos for various countries around the world. You can find this list in the video description and the first pinned comment. These casinos are safe, and many offer welcome bonuses like free cash or spins for new members. We update this list weekly to ensure you have the best options. For viewers in the USA, online casino legality varies by state. Some states only allow social casinos. Check the link in the description to find the best legal casinos for your state, or the top social casinos if traditional online casinos aren't allowed. Alright, let's dive in. Here we are. As I mentioned earlier, the goal of this game is to bet on what you think the market will do, whether it's going to go up or down. If you get it right, your bet increases by the same percentage as the market changes. If you're wrong, you lose that percentage. In my opinion, there are two main strategies you can use. The first is trend following, where you follow the long-term market trend. The second is contrarian betting, where you bet against the trend, similar to contrarian investing in finance. You can also see what other players are betting on, giving you insight into the general market sentiment. Now, let's get into the gameplay. As you can see, there are various graphs to track, 2 buttons to place your bets, and a guy narrating the market action. I'm starting with a contrarian bet, going against the trend. Let's see how it goes. Well, that didn't work out. I lost most of my bet, as you can see here, but I'll stick with the contrarian strategy. Yes, and this time it paid off. I've gained 24% on my initial bet. I'm betting on the market going down again because I believe it will continue dropping. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it's going down fast. Well, it paid off again. I've gained nearly 80% this time, reflecting the market's loss. Now, I'll continue betting on the market going down, shifting to the trend following strategy since the market has been on a downward streak recently. And down it goes again. And it keeps going down. Woo, I've won again, nearly hitting the maximum payout, with a nice 99% increase in my bet. Not bad at all. Now, I have a feeling the market might swing up, even though it's been dropping for a while. Let's see. Ah, darn it. I was definitely wrong this time. Alright, I'm doubling down on my bet for a market rise. Never mind, down it goes. Oh geez, how down is it going? Wow, lost nearly all of my bet this time, from $10 to only $1.29. Not a good round. Let's stick with a contrarian bet. The market must go up again eventually, no? Uh-oh, never mind, it's going down. Actually, it's coming back up. Ah, down again. What a roller coaster. Okay, again with a contrarian bet. This upward trend must come eventually. Maybe I should double down again. Nah, let's stick with $10. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it's going up, guys. Oh yes, look at it rising. Boom. This time I cashed out 87% of my bet. $18.51 for my $10 bet, nearly doubling it. Okay, I'll stick with betting on a market rise. Fingers crossed. And it goes up again! Yes, another very high payout, 84%. So, have you figured out how it works? We're betting on whether the market will go up or down from its starting point. If we guess right, we earn the percentage that the market rises or falls as a multiplier. For example, if the market goes up by 25% and you've bet $10 on it rising, you'll win $12.50, making a $2.50 profit, exactly 25%. The same applies if the market drops by 25% and you've bet on it going down. As I mentioned earlier, the maximum you can win per round is 100% of your bet, effectively a 2 times multiplier. But here's the interesting part. If you lose, you don't lose your entire bet like in most other casino games. Instead, you only lose the percentage that the market moved against you. So if you bet on the market going up, but it drops by 25%, you only lose 25% of your bet, getting $7.50 back instead of $10. The same happens if you bet on a drop, but the market rises by 25%, you still get $7.50 back. So, when you lose much less, at least in terms of cash. I can't think of any other casino game that works this way. Now, it's classified as a crash game, but unlike others, you can't cash out whenever you want. You have to wait until the chart finishes. This has its pros and cons. For example, you can't stop when the trend isn't going your way. Now, regarding the two strategies, contrarian betting and trend following, if you've noticed, these small plays with rising or falling graphs are all part of a bigger trend, shown in the large chart between the betting area and the current play area. As you can see, the overall chart might be bullish or bearish depending on what the market is doing overall for the past few plays. We can use this information to choose our strategy. Follow the market, going bullish when the market is up and bearish when it's down, just like everyone else. Or we can be contrarian, doing the opposite of what others do, going bearish when the market is up and bullish when it's down. It's a bit like what Warren Buffett does in the real finance world. Personally, I prefer this strategy. Finally, if you want, you can simply follow what others are doing in each play by watching those percentages. Or you can just go with your gut. If a few ups have come out, bet on a down, and vice versa. Of course, all these methods are pretty rough. They don't guarantee wins, because we're ultimately at the mercy of a random algorithm. If the strategies for Aviator are rough compared to the roulette and blackjack strategies I show on this channel, the ones for stock market are even rougher. Unlike investing in the real stock market, where you can look at real data like a company's financials or future projects, here we're just watching a random chart go up and down. So, I'll say it again. This is a casino game, not a stock market investment. If you want to invest in stocks, open a brokerage account and buy real stocks, though I'm not the person to advise you on which stocks to buy. I'm a casino expert, not a stock market expert. Alright, I'm going to speed up the video now, play a bit more, and then return to normal speed towards the end so you can see how it all turned out. Okay, I'm nearly done with my session, and as you can see, I've managed to increase my balance by a bit. I've added over $100 to my balance, so it's been a good session. I'll stop here for today. Alright guys, as I mentioned during the gameplay, this is a very interesting game. Quite different from other casino games. The fact that you don't lose everything when you're wrong, but only a percentage, is definitely a great bonus, as you rarely lose all your bet, but only a portion of it. However, since your only choice is to bet on whether the market goes up or down, and you can't cash out whenever you want like an aviator, it limits the strategies you can develop. And just to reiterate, this is a game of chance, not connected to real stock market movements. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I try to respond to everyone. I remind you that in the link in the description, you can find a list of safe and certified online casinos in your country and in each US state. I recommend using certified casinos if you want peace of mind and to avoid scams, rigged games, or even playing in illegal casinos in your country and having trouble with the law. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon, ninjas.